Instant payments, 14 websites that pay you instantly. Looking for ways to earn money quickly? Yay! In this video, we'll explore 14 websites that offer instant payments, allowing you to earn cash fast. Whether you're in need of extra income or simply want to boost your savings, these platforms provide various opportunities to make money online. From freelance gigs to survey sites and cashback apps, discover the best options for receiving instant payments. Don't wait for your payday, start earning today. First website name is Prolific. Prolific Surveys is a reputable website that gives consumers the chance to get paid for taking part in research. Researchers and participants can feel secure knowing that it is authentic thanks to its verification process. The questionnaires are not gamified to make them more enjoyable in contrast to other survey websites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie. Nonetheless, a lot of the surveys do pay a lot more than the $1 to $3 per hour that we calculate you would typically make by responding to survey questions on other survey platforms. Our initial thought is always, how do I start earning with Prolific? The solution is quite easy to understand. Verify your account after registering using your phone number or email address. Next, you receive a Prolific ID, which you should copy before beginning a study because they frequently want it. After that, respond to the screening questions on the survey to receive an invitation to participate in intriguing online polls and research from prestigious colleges. User feel. The quick and simple solution for remote usability testing during user testing offers a global panel of thousands of testers as well as a platform to assist UX researchers and ordinary website owners in improving their websites and applications. Earn $3 to $30 for each test you do as a website and app tester. You can use a computer, tablet, or smartphone to finish each test, which lasts between 5 and 60 minutes. The majority of examinations last 20 minutes and pay $10. The amount of rewards varies based on the type of test. The amount you will be awarded for each test will always be displayed on your test feed. After a test is finished, payments are typically issued 14 days later. HipCamp. HipCamp is an online marketplace that provides camping and outdoor activities through its mobile app and website. The majority of the time, private landowners list cabins, RV spaces, and campsites for customers to find and reserve based on listing type, location, landscape, amenities, and activities available. HipCamp is an online marketplace where you can search, find, and reserve lodging on both public and private lands. HipCamp is your go-to resource for outdoor education. If you own land, HipCamp can help you maintain the wildness and conservation of your property by generating new money sources for your company. TaskRabbit. This year, people can get assistance with a variety of chores, such as personal assistance, furniture assembly, moving, delivery, and handyman services by using TaskRabbit, an online marketplace that connects local demand with freelance labor. Using the TaskRabbit app, you submit an invoice after doing a task. Taskers get paid through direct deposit using either Braintree or Stripe, depending on where you live. Customers may also repay you for any cost you pay directly through the app. What is the cost of creating an account on TaskRabbit? $25 to sign up. You will be billed a one-time, non-refundable $25 registration fee if your registration is accepted. After that, clients not taskers are billed for all fees. You will be prompted to provide a valid credit card if one is not currently on file. Clarity FM. There exist multiple avenues for earning revenue with Clarity on-demand business advice. Getting paid a commission for each minute you spend on a customer call by becoming a featured expert is one option. Experts and members can sign up for Clarity at no cost at all. Other than that, Clarity uses a marketplace price strategy based on worldwide commissions. This is because each expert's earnings are subject to a predetermined 15% cut by the platform every call. Then, is the Clarity app secure? Not sure it's possible that your info is safe or not. Use it at your own peril. Freecash.com. What is the way to make money using Freecash? Engage in gaming. Gaming firms want to pay you to play their games so they can draw in more players. Come on, let's play. How much is paid by Freecash? According to Freecash, you can make $1 every 5 to 10 minutes or $6 to $12 every hour. This estimate, however, is based on the assumption that you will always have work available, which isn't always the case. Listverse. Listverse. Listverse pays $100 for each accepted piece, with an extra $100 incentive given to authors whose articles rank among the top 10 most popular of the month. For their work to be considered for publication, authors must fulfill certain requirements and adhere to submission rules. The volume of submissions received at any one moment and the intricacy of the subject matter covered are two variables that can affect how long it takes for an article to be approved on Listverse. An article may typically take a few days to a few weeks for Listverse to examine and approve. To come up with article ideas and construct a table of contents, use ChatGPT. Using ChatGPT, create list articles while being mindful of word count and plagiarism. Sending your articles to Listverse following their guidelines and formatting. Be patient and wait for Listverse to review and approve your submissions. Validate. Way surveys. Just respond to a series of questions without using any audio, video, or screen captures. Tests that were recorded. Perform tasks using recorded screen, audio, and occasionally video while stating your ideas out loud. Live discussions. Have a video call conversation with a user testing consumer. Webull. By allowing Webull to borrow certain equities, the stock lending income program gives you the chance to make additional money on fully paid stocks that you own in your account. You will get money while your shares are lent. This income will be accumulated daily and credited to your account once a month. Additionally, there are no inactivity or account administration costs when purchasing or selling fractional shares. Minimums for accounts. Webull offers fractional shares for $5 with no minimum required to start an account. Is Webull insured and safe? Webull Financial is a member of the Securities Investor Protection Corp. Just like the majority of investing firms, member accounts are covered by the SIPC up to a $500,000 loss, which includes a $250,000 Savvy Connect. Based on the peer-to-peer internet lending model that first appeared in the UK more than 15 years ago, Savvy is a virtual lending platform. The way it operates is that users of the internet lend money to other users via a middleman technological platform. How is payment processed on Savvy Connect? It is simple. You peruse the internet. By installing Savvy Connect on your PC, tablet, or smartphone, you can take part in market research by just browsing the web. You can even make money doing this. While you browse the web, get monthly cash rewards. Your data is secure. Nielsen Computer and Mobile. Install the Nielsen mobile app to earn $50 annually. It will gather usage data on your mobile device in the background and progressively provide you with rewards. Participate in contests to win up to $1,000. All Nielsen app users are automatically eligible for a monthly sweepstakes with a $10,000 prize pool. The software is available for download on tablets, smartphones, and PCs. You accrue points while Nielsen monitors your online activities, which can be worth up to $60 annually. Points can be exchanged for gift cards or paid out through PayPal by users. 2Captcha. 2Captcha's legitimacy. 2Captcha is an actual website that compensates users for resolving CAPTCHAs. It's a crowdsourcing tool that assists businesses in preventing spam and misuse of their web platforms. Type of labor answering CAPTCHAs. Puzzles with distorted characters or images is the labor that has to be done on 2Captcha. 2Captcha is designed to link users who need to quickly identify several CAPTCHAs with workers who can be paid to do so. And there you have it, 14 websites that offer instant payments for various online activities. Whether you're freelancing, taking surveys, or monetizing your content, all these platforms provide opportunities to earn money quickly. Which website are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching.